around here somewhere. Ah, there it is. The Snuggly Duckling. Don't worry, very quaint place. Perfect for you. Don't want you scaring and giving up on this whole endeavor now, do we?
Well, I do like ducklings.
Yay! Got home! Your finest table, please. You smell that? Take a deep breath through the nose. Really let that creep in. What are you getting? Because to me, it's part man smell, and the other part is really bad man smell. I don't know why, but overall, it just smells like the color brown. Your thoughts?
That's a lot of hair.
She's growing it out. Is there blood in your mustache? Goldie, look at this. Look at all the blood in his mustache. Sir, that's a lot of blood.
You don't look so good, Blondie. Maybe we should get you home, call it a day.
Probably better off. This is a 5-star joint after all, and if you can't handle this place, well, maybe you should be back in your tower.
Is this you?
Oh, now they're just being mean.
Oh, it's him, all right. Greta, go find some guards. That reward's gonna buy me a new book. I can use the money. What about me? I'm broke. Get back.
We can work this out.
I don't know where I am, and I need him to take me to see the lanterns because I've been dreaming about them my entire life. Find your humanity! Haven't many of you ever had a dream?